Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my informational session on how to be a lawyer with a marketing degree from Clemson University. The legal field is constantly changing. Laws change every day, mandates are made, which we should be familiar with now, and legislatures create new laws often. Therefore, lawyers will always be necessary. People will always need representation because, based on past experiences that we've seen, people don't represent themselves well in the court of law. Going to law school with a marketing degree is not normal, but then again, it's not unusual either. People tend to pursue law school with political science, history, English, or business degrees, which is the category marketing falls under. Lawyers have been around for a long time, and I mean a long time, because according to Hugh L. Dewey Esquire, Dr. Leakey discovered the first evidence of lawyers, which dates back to 1 million to 1.5 million years ago. And the first evidence wasn't a full case, it was fragments of a case, but it proved that lawyers did exist. Fast forward a tad, and the Dark Ages were upon us. Something funny about the Dark Ages is that lawyers were actually replaced with magicians and witches at the time, because witches and magicians were more trusted in the communities and they were cheaper and easier to afford, but this didn't last too long. To become a lawyer, you must first obtain a bachelor's degree. Then, depending on the type of law you wish to practice, a master's or PhD may be required. Then an adequate LSAT score to get into law school. And once you get into law school, you'll be obtaining that Juris Doctor degree. After your JD, you must pass the state bar examination in the state you'd wish to practice law. Just like anything, the future of lawyers is unpredictable. What we do know is that they'll always be needed as long as we continue to keep up with technology and stay above artificial intelligence, which is a really scary concept to think about. The employment patterns of a lawyer are similar to climbing a totem pole. You start as a runner normally during law school, and that'll be your internship. And then once you graduate and pass the bar, you'll become an associate of a firm. And a lot of people go back to the firms that they internshipped with during law school. From there, you'll become a partner, then possibly one day a managing partner if you want to climb the totem pole all the way. To keep climbing, though, you have to keep a well-respected reputation. So, where are the jobs? Well, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics says the lawyer occupation will only continue to grow. Over the next 10 years, there will be about 32,300 more lawyers than there are right now, which is a 4% growth from the number we're at now. And in terms of graduate programs, like I said before, you can pursue the optional master's and PhD depending on the type of law you want to practice. However, law school is required to obtain that Juris Doctor degree and to take the state bar exam. For the most part, lawyers are well respected and in good standing with society. However, they do struggle with conflicts of interest, with malpractice, and with lacks of communication. Sadly, you'll find this in any field. When you become a lawyer, though, try to stray away from any of this and always do the right thing, even if that means not lying for somebody you're close with, because that's the whole conflict of interest thing. Now, since a marketing degree does open so many doors, you may decide that you don't want to be a lawyer after all. Well, here's a chart I made based off of my findings from the Franklin University website. With a marketing degree, you can be an account executive for advertising agencies, a marketing professor, a copywriter, a media planner, an insurance saleswoman, a medical device saleswoman, which medical device salespeople are actually very popular coming from Clemson with a marketing degree, a brand manager, a director of internet marketing, or a digital media manager. And there just are so many wonderful career options with a marketing degree from Clemson. So in conclusion, yes, it's a lot of hard work to become a successful lawyer, but Clemson has equipped you with the knowledge to do so. Stay focused and determined on your goals. Majoring in marketing will be so helpful in the long run and open so many doors for you. And marketing majors can be great lawyers too. Here is my works cited sheet. Thank you.